Airdrop is stuck and not showing any devices. Try these fixes. Let's start with turn off and on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. First, open the Settings app on your device and tap on Wi-Fi. Now turn off the toggle next to it. Wait for a few seconds and turn on the toggle. Next, go back to the previous page and repeat the same with Bluetooth. Now try sending the images again and see if Airdrop works normally. If Airdrop still isn't showing nearby devices, check Airdrop settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and click on General. Here, select Airdrop. At the top, you'll see several receiving options. Change the option to Everyone for 10 minutes. This will make the Airdrop available for the maximum time. Now try sending the images again and see if Airdrop works normally. If Airdrop still isn't showing nearby devices, then move on to the next fix. Sign out of your Apple ID. Open the Settings app on your device. Tap your Apple ID banner at the top of the screen. Scroll all the way down and select Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password when prompted and complete the sign-out process. Wait a few moments, then sign back in using your Apple ID and password. Now try transferring the images again and see if Airdrop works properly. If the issue persists, force restart your device. Press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side buttons and your phone will restart shortly. Update iOS. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and click on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now or download and install. Make sure you have installed the latest iOS version on your device. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and click on General. Scroll down and look for the option to transfer or reset your iPhone. Tap on it. Tap Reset at the bottom of the screen. From the menu that appears, choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your device passcode if prompted. Tap Reset Network Settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will restart and remove all saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, and other network settings. Now, check whether Airdrop is working normally and the files are sending without delays. This might fix the Airdrop waiting issue. And that's it.